Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make 3D logo design in Canva. So first, you just have to go to Canva, and in here, I'm going to type at least two letters for my logo or for my brand logo. So this is what it looks like. And now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a line. So you can go to elements and look for a line, go to shapes, and then find the line that you desire or wish. So for example, I'm going to use this line under graphics, and then this is what it looks like. And I have to move this one. It's like I'm going to cut the D and C so I can put it in between or in the center. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to change this. Everything is up to you. You can change this to whatever color you want. So I'm going to change this into blue, change the color into blue, or I just want to change it into black. I mean, just this one. Okay, so after that, I'm going to look for another shape. This time, it's square, and then rotate this, go to position, and then change this to 30, something like that, or resize this. And then after that, change the color into blue. So this is what it looks like, and then duplicate. So let me remove this to the upper side. And then after that, I'm going to align or realign this, something like this. You just have to follow, okay? All you have to do is to follow. And then this is what it looks like. I'm going to put the square shape above and cover the letter D and a little bit of the line. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So another, I'm going to cover the lower part. Okay, adjust this up and then down, then cover the whole page. Same goes with this. Okay, so the result should be like this. Okay, and then after that, what I'm going to do next is to duplicate this one. Now for the upper part, we're going to change the color to, or let's just, okay, let me change this to white. And then for the lower part, let me remove this and then change this lower part. Same thing, white color. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So after that, tap share and then go to download and then save. Okay. And then after that, you can now delete and then go to uploads, upload file, upload this one, and also the other one. Okay, should be the same position with what I'm doing right now. Okay, so the upper part is like DC half, and the lower part also DC half. So next is we're going to add the color blue. So the result is like this, whatever color you like. So I'm going to choose blue, and then this time tap edit image and then click BG remover. So the result should be like this. So it removed the white color. Tap the BG remover again, and the result should be like this. Now we're going to move like this, but actually everything is up to you. Okay, it's your logo, it's your design, but for me, I just want to put it this way. However, I need to make some changes because there's something wrong with the letter D, so I have to adjust the line up, and the result is like this. So here's the result. So I just have to move a little bit, something like that. And then after you have changed and after you have already aligned it, I mean position your logo, now I'm going to add another element here. This one is like a line, this one. Okay, so all you have to do, or all I have to do is to drag this, then delete the first one. So this is what it looks like, and then what you're going to do is, or what I'm going to do is to put it right here. But actually, this one is optional. If you want to add a line shape or circle shape, everything is up to you. Now I want to change again the color into white, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so the final result is like this. This time, we're going to change the color on the upper part using the duotone. So tap this part right here and then go to edit image and then scroll down till you see this duotone and then tap the color that you want to change the color below. So this is what the color I want in the lower part. So everything is up to you. Now you can change, you can edit the highlight, shadows, and intensity, something like that. So let me change this to this color. And then in the upper part, all you have to do is to click and then go to edit image again, go to duotone, and then select the color for the upper part. Okay, so the result is like this. Now this time we're going to add something like a ball, ball icon or ball shape. Okay, so go to elements and then search for ball or basketball, something like that. And then this time I put right here, but actually you can create your own. So this is what it looks like. And then after that, go to duotone again and then change the color of the line. Okay, so this is the result. Actually, I know that you can do better than this. This is just for basic tutorial on how to create 3D logo. So for example, you're selling a shoes, I mean basketball shoes or like running shoes, something like that. And if you want to add something like words here or phrase, you just have to go to text and then add something like run into your unknown and then, add some effects, go to effects, change the outline or shadows, change the color, and then resize this. And I'm going to put it right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do once you're done with this, and you can go share. And when you tap download, always remember, don't forget to tap transparency and then click download. After that, you have to go to any web browser and then type Photofee. So let me type Photofee here and click the very first link, Photofee online photo editor. And then this time you have to look for that specific 3D logo that you want. So there are tons of 3D logos here, 3D logo designs that you can use, and all you have to do is to replace that. So go to templates, and then as you can see, there are tons of 3D logos here, and you can search for a specific category if you want. So this time I want to use this a 3D logo mockup. So all you have to do is to click this and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now hide. Tap this one right here to hide, and this should be the result. After that, open and replace. Click open or open and replace. And then put the image that you have created in Canva here. And then after that, we're going to save this. So you have to go to the file and then look for save smart object. Tap this one. And then after that, you have to click this 3D logo markup design. And this is what it looks like. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.